Have you ever been confused about when to use made of, made from, made with, or made out of? Well, worry no more. After watching this video, you will never confuse them again. Greetings, my name is Vitaly. Welcome to Vital English. Let's dive right in and break down this tricky topic. These phrases may seem similar, but they have very distinct meanings and usages. Let's explore them one by one. Let's start with made of. We use made of when we are talking about the basic material or substance of an object, which hasn't changed in its form. It's often used to describe the composition of something. Examples. Well, this table is made of wood. As we can see, the wood is still wood, just shaped differently. His chain is made of gold. The gold is still recognizable as gold, although I seriously doubt it. So, made of is used when the material is still recognizable in the final product. Next, we have made from. Use made from when the original material has been transformed into something completely different. The original substance isn't as easily recognizable. For example, paper is made from trees, which means that the trees are processed into paper, which is not recognizable as tree anymore. Wine is made from grapes. The grapes have been transformed into wine. So, made from highlights that the material has undergone significant change. Now, let's talk about made with. This phrase is used when referring to one of several ingredients or components in the final product. It's commonly used when talking about food or objects with multiple parts. Let's look at the examples. This cake is made with fresh strawberries. Strawberries are one ingredient among others. The toy was made with plastic and metal. Plastic and metal are just some of the materials used in making this toy. Made with emphasizes the inclusion of certain materials or ingredients. Finally, there is made out of. This phrase is similar to made of, but it's often used to emphasize that something has been repurposed or crafted from another object, sometimes in a creative or unexpected way. This sculpture is made out of old car parts. The car parts have been creatively repurposed. Or, the house was made out of bricks. The bricks are the basic building blocks. Made out of is perfect for highlighting the transformation or repurposing of materials. Alright, quick recap. Made of. Used when the material is still recognizable. For example, this drumstick is made of wood. Made from. Used when the material has been transformed. For instance, wine is made from grapes. Made with. Used when referring to one or a few components. For instance, this pizza is made with ham and cheese. Made out of. Used when something is repurposed or crafted. For example, this chair is made out of swords. Alright, I hope now it's clear when you should use made of, made from, made with, or made out of. I'm sure now you understand the differences. And if that is so, remember to leave a thumbs up. Now that one of the confusing topics in the English language has been made clear, there is one more that you might find confusing. That is the difference in using say, speak, talk, or tell. If you have any doubts when to use one of these words, you must absolutely click this video. Before you do so, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in this video, and as always, adios.